Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss ring topology. A ring topology is a network topology in which each node connects to exactly two other nodes, forming a continuous pathway for signals through each node, like a ring. A ring topology is a bus topology but in a closed loop. All the nodes are peer-to-peer LAN topology nodes. Here every computer on this ring has exactly two neighbors for communication. Each data packet is sent around the ring until it reaches its final destination. Here the communication is always unidirectional. Here sending and receiving data takes place with the help of a token. Here the token will be circulated throughout the network until it reaches the destination. Now we'll discuss some advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. Ring topology is easy to install and reconfigure. Here it is easy to detect a problem. All nodes have equal access because it is unidirectional. It has better performance than bus topology. Now let us discuss some disadvantages of ring topology. As it is unidirectional, a single point failure will affect the whole network. As each node has equal rights, there is no security. Suppose the source wants to send a confidential data to the destination node, which is its neighbor node. But as the ring topology is unidirectional in nature, the confidential data will pass to each and every node before it reaches to the destination node. There is no security in ring topology. If load is high, the performance will be low. Here bandwidth is shared on all links between the devices. It is difficult to configure. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.
Oh